Hi, I'm Tulsa County Commissioner Stan Sallee, and with me today out in North Tulsa County is Tribal Council member of District 12, Dora Patzkowski. Dora's here with me today to talk about our partnership on Highway US 75 from Highway 20 up to 186th Street, that we're going to improve 2 miles of that 4-mile stretch starting from 186th Street to 166th Street North. It will include widening a couple of feet, improving drainage structures and widening drainage structures. It's a project that we've just already started locating utility lines. And Dora, I can't thank you enough for your willingness to look at this project and to partner with Tulsa County.
Well, thank you, Commissioner. It is my pleasure. We met a few months ago, Commissioner Sallee and his staff and I, and they introduced this project to me then. So when I left the county barn, I came right here and I drove this stretch. And I can honestly say that I see a big safety issue here. In fact, they were working on these electrical lines, and with all the trucks parked along the side of the highway, it was a safety issue getting through. And I can see now where all the big trucks and trailers that travel this road will, it'll be safer for all of them once this project is complete. So I appreciate you doing the project.
This is a growing part of Tulsa County and the Cherokee Nation between here and Bartlesville, but this area in particular, a lot of families, a lot of bus routes, and it needs to be improved, and we're going to try to take care of 2 miles this year, probably going into next, and then hopefully we can work on funding, in the future for the remaining 2 miles. But again, thank you to the Cherokee Nation and Councilor Patzkowski for your support on this. It means a great deal to the people that live out here.
Absolutely. It's our honor.
For more information, go to tulsacounty.org, our social media websites, Facebook, Instagram, to find more about this important project.